I got to ask this question. How do I share a company page URL on LinkedIn? And I thought, you know what, this would be a great conversation to have. I can talk about sharing URLs on LinkedIn in general, because a lot of times we share way more than we need to. I'm going to talk about it and show you how to do it in this video. But before I do, hit that subscribe and notify button. I create all this content for you. So let me go to my company page. Go to me, scroll down here, go to Burriss Consulting. Now, you can see that because I'm looking at my company page and because I'm an admin, I'm in Super Admin View. Because I'm in Super Admin View, the URL is the company number and the link to the admin page. This is the wrong content to share. Yes, if you share it to someone, they open it up in LinkedIn, it's going to revert to the right URL. But you want your URL to be branded, so don't share that. Instead, what I recommend you do is go to view as a member. So view it as a member, and look here. Now the URL is customized, it's branded. Now there's more on here that I need to share. I don't need to share this information here, so I typically say get rid of anything after the question mark. So get rid of that, copy that, and then when I go share that with somebody who's on LinkedIn, let me go to someone who's on LinkedIn, and because she's logged in LinkedIn, when she goes to open that, I copied it and dropped it in a new tab, it's going to open up my company page with the company page branded URL. Something else to think about as well, if I'm going to share a post, let me go down here and find a post. If I'm going to share a post that someone has, or maybe it's in on my page, let me go to my post and activity and go to a post. If I copy this link right here to this post, copy link to the post, look when I paste that up here what it looks like. It has all of this other stuff, question mark, UTM source, share, UTM medium, member desktop, has all of this stuff you don't need to share. I recommend you strip that out, and then once you strip it out, copy that, and then paste it back into a tab, and make sure it opens up what you want to open up. But you don't need to have all that extraneous URL information when you share it. But anytime you strip out anything from a URL, make sure that you can open that up without that extra content. And then copy that, and you go to a message, go to Rebecca, I can paste that in there, and you can see when I drop that URL in there, it's a hyperlink, I can click on that, but because it's in LinkedIn messaging, it also shows the content that it's going to direct her to and makes this a hyperlink as well, so she can click on that and go straight to the content that I share without all that extraneous information hanging off on the end. I'm Taddy, your LinkedIn sales navigator, strategist, trainer, and coach, and I hope that's helpful for you.